Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about iQOO Z10 Lite 5G. Let's get started. 1. Design and build. Let's start with the design. The Z10 Lite 5G comes with a polycarbonate body, but manages to look premium thanks to its matte finish and gradient hues. It's slim, lightweight at around 190 grams, and sits comfortably in the hand. You get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button, fast and responsive, and a USB-C port at the bottom, along with a good old 3.5mm headphone jack. Available in two colors, stellar blue and graphite black, the Z10 Lite keeps things minimal but stylish. 2. Display. The front features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. While it's not AMOLED, the panel is bright enough at 600 nits for most outdoor use and delivers punchy colors with good contrast for an LCD. 3. Performance. Under the hood, the iQOO Z10 Lite 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm process. This is paired with 6GB or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, 128GB standard. 4. Software. The Z10 Lite runs on FunTouch OS 14, based on Android 14, and iQOO promises 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patches. 5. Cameras. In terms of optics, the iQOO Z10 Lite 5G is equipped with a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, you get an 8MP selfie camera. The selfie camera is decent, good for casual Instagram posts or video calls. Video recording is capped at 1080p at 30 FPS, and while there's no OIS, EIS helps keep things moderately stable. 6. Battery and charging. Backing all this is a 5000 mAh battery, and this is where the Z10 Lite truly shines. With a power-efficient chipset and LCD panel, you can easily get a day and a half of usage with moderate to heavy use. And when it's time to charge, you get 44W flash charge support. iQOO claims 50% in 30 minutes, and in real-world testing, a full charge takes about 65 minutes, which is excellent for this segment. 7. Connectivity. Being a 5G phone, the Z10 Lite supports multiple 5G bands in India, ensuring future-proof connectivity. Along with this, you get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and a dedicated microSD card slot for expandable storage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.